Welcome. In front of me is a HOTWAV W11, and today I will show you how you can format your SD card. So to get started, we're gonna navigate to Settings. And here find Storage. There we go. And from the drop-down menu right over here, select your SD card, which for me is named the disk. Now, it doesn't think that it's a Samsung SD card, though for some reason it thinks that it's not set up. Maybe I put it into my camera, that's why. So I'm gonna select set up, though in your case you most likely don't need to do that. So I'm gonna quickly do this and then show you how you can format, though it is formatting right now, disregard that. So in here, in the drop-down menu, once you have a device, you can then select your SD card. Now it is named correctly as Samsung SD card. And in here, we're gonna now, once the SD card is selected, we're gonna click on the three dots and select Format, Format SD card. It's gonna start formatting it, which you did already see the screen. This is the more traditional way that you achieve it. And select Done, and that's it. The card is now formatted and ready to be used once more. So, with that being said, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.